In this video, I will show you how to use the neural network Midjourney with which you can create your interesting photos. You can mix two photos or several in one, or create new fantastic photos at will. I'll show you how to set it all up, how to register, and how to use it. So, without wasting time, let's get started. We need to open the following sites. Firstly, the Discord Messenger site. Secondly, any translator from your language into English and the Midjourney website. We go to Google search and enter this phrase, and we get to the Midjourney website, but first we need to create an account on the Discord website. To do this, click on the login link, click register, and create your account. To do this, you need to enter your email, username, password, and birthday. So, we created an account on the Discord website and logged in. We don't have anything here yet. Next, go to Midjourney and click the login link. It goes to our Discord and requires permission to access the Discord site. We agree and choose Authorize. That's how we now have an account on the Midjourney website created by us. Our works, photos, and fantastically beautiful pictures will be collected here. We can view everything that we will create here, so we are not closing this web page. Next, on this web page in Midjourney, click on the link to join Discord. Choose to accept the invitation. We confirm. And we should have a Midjourney band in our Discord. This is the main web page. Now we need a bookmark labeled Newcomer Rooms. Here we choose any one where it says Newbies. We choose any one, there is no difference. So, after we have chosen, we get into the room. Then, in order for us to create our first masterpiece, some beautiful picture, we will write commands. Here in this search bar. But first you need to check the settings. I want to explain what you see on this web page. These are requests from other people. They make some kind of query in the search bar, and after a while the Midjourney bot sends the result to the general chat. The same will happen with your requests or pictures. Be prepared for what you write in the search bar, and what the result will be after some time will be posted here in this chat. People who are in this chat will see your requests and the final image that you will receive. In other words, this is a general chat and everyone can see who creates what or download this or that final picture. If you want no one to see your images, you need to create a separate chat. I'll show you how to do it at the end of this video. Nothing complicated, and this is not. First, let's try how it all works in a shared chat. So the first thing to do is check the settings. To do this, we need to enter a command. Now we are introducing, here is such an oblique line, it is called a slash. And enter the settings command. After you start typing, a prompt window appears. From this list you can choose what you need. Select Settings. Or enter the settings themselves and press Enter. Here we just need to check that MJ version 4 is highlighted in green. Base quality can be set to high quality. Well, then you will get fewer free images. If you have a paid service, then when choosing high quality, each picture will be twice as expensive as the basic one, but in high quality. Styles and everything else, to begin with, you can leave as suggested by default. If you leave everything by default, you will get the maximum number of free images. Now let's start creating. Press the slash on the keyboard and select the Imagine command. Now you can enter what we want to get. Those who do not speak English well, use an online translator, because all words should be spelled out only in English. Well, for example, let it be like this, it doesn't matter. Insert and press Enter. There was such a message about the provision of services. You need to accept the rule, click on the green Accept shows. Then we repeat the command that we entered earlier. Slash, imagine, and description in words. It can be absolutely anything. I took the first thing that came to my mind as an example, but it must be in English. And we are waiting. Now our result should appear here, but it should take some time for the bot to process previous requests from other people. So, here is the final result. In the general chat, our result appears for us. Here it is. Naturally, we can save it as a picture, or if we like one of these pictures more, we can make it bigger to have one, but large in size. To do this, select the first, second, third, or fourth. We select by clicking on U1, and the first picture of the 4 chosen by us will be enlarged in size and will be the best in quality. You can also view the result in your Midjourney profile if you accidentally miss it in the general chat, because a lot of people get here images. In your profile, you can see all the pictures that you have made, everything that you have created, and everything that you will create. It is also more convenient to download from here. Click here and the file will download to your computer. The final result of the resulting image depends on how correctly you describe what you wanted to get. In other words, the result directly depends on your hint, which you give to the website. You can also specify hints separated by commas, that is, when you create a description. For example, image, prompt, and we write the word man, you need to write some characteristics of a person or list what you would like to see in the picture, separated commas. I also want to share with you about one site assistant who will help you create a more accurate description. That's what he looks like. I will pause for 3 seconds, write down who needs it, but the link will be in the description. You can follow the link and this assistant will help you create hints. There are some words here that will help more accurately describe what you want. For example, a portrait, and you can add some words yourself or click Add. Well, the result is ready for our last query. And as you can see, it's inconvenient to look for our final result in the general chat. I was just listing the words man, car, day, and that's what something turned out. Let's try to do another experiment with the help of an assistant. We write the same /imagine prompt, then we will try the same set of words and plus what this site will offer us. We put commas and press enter and wait for the Midjourney neural network to give us. We created the word woman ourselves and added hints from the assistant. Now let's wait for the result, and then I'll show you how to make sure that you create an image not in a general chat, but in a separate chat on your server. So let's see what's up with our latest experiment. Here is our result, which we did with the help of these additional tags. I came up with the word woman and added 3 tags from the assistant. We did it. You can also log into your profile, update the web page, and we will have the same thing in our account, respectively. Here is the result. We can also download it. Click here. Or we can download one of these 4 images that we like the most. You probably remember? You can zoom in using the buttons U1, U2, U3, and U4. Here we just got our enlarged picture. It will also be in our account. I chose the picture out of 4 that I liked the most and wanted to download it in the best quality. So, we tried to create pictures in a general chat. This is what Midjourney offers us by default, but you can also make sure that the pictures are not visible to all people and create your own server. To do this, click here on the plus icon. We are already working with Discord, and click Create Your Template in the pop-up window. Here click Skip this question. Write any name. It will be the name of your server, and click Create. We have created a server. Then we return here to the Midjourney chat. Next, click on this icon to show the list of participants. Select Midjourney bot. We need to invite him to our server. We selected him here and click Add to Server. Here we click Select Server and select the one we just created. Click Continue. It says here that the bot will have access to our server. Click Authorize. We confirm. Done. Then we return to our server. And now we can already do all the same things that we did through the general chat. We don't need a general chat yet. We can already switch to the server we just created and work with the Midjourney network already here, so that our images that we create no one has seen. And already here we enter the same commands to create new images. Let's create a new masterpiece in our server. Let's use the translator and we can add some additional descriptions. For example, some interesting characteristics. And press enter. As you can see, everything is the same. The Midjourney bot is working. We are also waiting for the result to appear. Our request is in the queue, but now the result will not be visible to everyone, but only to us, on our server separately. And there is no need to search for the final result, as it was in the general chat. The processing process is shown here and the result is visible only to us. 93% already. Everything is ready, we got the picture. If we like one of these individual images more, we select it using the lower buttons and download it in the best quality. If something is unclear, write in the comments, like, subscribe to the channel. And in the next video, I'll show you something else interesting. Good luck to all.